night that Oscar Pistorius killed his girlfriend. Neighbors have taken the stand, and none of them agree on what they heard. Let's look at what the prosecution lays out happened that evening. Now, of course, we have the Dream Team, LaTonya Hines, and Double J, Janet Johnson, the other Double J, right?
Exactly.
So let me go through this with you, LaTonya, the prosecution's case, and Janet, you'll object and jump up and down.
I will.
Yes, I know you will. All right, so from the prosecution's perspective, LaTonya, there were bangs heard at about 3 a.m., and we know that because you remember Johann Stipp, right? He's the doctor, and his wife, Annette, his wife had a cold. She got up. She says she heard bangs. She goes to him and says, hey, did you hear that? Then they say, LaTonya, if you remember, they heard this screaming and screaming, and they were clear that it was of a girl, a woman, right? It wasn't Pistorius.
High pitch.
Okay?
I don't know how you know the sex.
Whatever. Okay.
Is that the ruling?
Right.
Okay.
So that's my ruling, whatever. So then you have gunshots, LaTonya, right, at 3:17 a.m., and then they don't hear any screaming after that. So what does that tell you from a prosecution's perspective?
Well, what tells me is that exactly what they've already stated is that she was running. There's an argument going on.
How do you get that?
Wait a minute. They've already heard that there have been arguments beforehand at this house. It's not uncommon to hear that. But what's uncommon is to hear a gunshot afterwards. And here's the other thing. If I was a prosecutor, I'd bring up, when she's found, she's got both cell phones in the bathroom with her. When you're scared, you're running, you're trying to have a phone. I would say that it supports the fact that, yes, you hear these bangs, she's running, she gets into the bathroom, and then the shots were coming. The only person screaming is the person who's dead. It was Reva Steenkamp.
She wasn't screaming that.
No, but
you know, this is why eyewitness or ear witness, in this case, testimony is the worst kind of testimony, because people, they're confused, they're excited,
misinterpret,
they're asleep. Maybe the bangs are the shots, which is what the defense theory is, and they didn't hear anything.
This is where common sense comes back in. Common sense comes back in.
No.
No, common sense comes back in. You don't have a jury where you're having to convince like 6 or 12 people. You've got a judge who's who's very learned.
Yes,
and here's the thing too. You still have this question. Why is it, if you thought there was an intruder, why didn't you check to see where your girlfriend is?
Well, we're going to move on to you, Janet, all right? And that is the defense's case. And they have Pistorius, right, shot Reva at 3 o'clock. They say that.
Consistent with the bangs.
Consistent with the bangs. And then it was Pistorius screaming in that loud pitch voice, right? It would have to be. And it was the cricket bat. Remember, it was the cricket bat sounds, not the gun that happened at 3:17.
This is the reasonable theory. And don't forget, in South Africa, they still have reasonable doubt. Even though it's a judge, not a jury, if both versions are reasonable, then that's not guilty.
Here's the reality. Sure. He's going to be convicted. The way that he is charged, he is going to be convicted. The question of what he's going to be convicted of, but a cricket bat gunshot. Which one sounds louder?
What is the bang?
You know what, LaTonya, we actually did that, and it's so hard to determine what is what. Right? It's difficult, Janet, when you listen to the two.
So what do you say the first sound is? So what is that first bang? If it's not a gunshot, what is it?
LaTonya, does Janet get reasonable doubt with you with this or no?
I'll give you a little bit of reasonable doubt.
A little bit of reasonable doubt.
I'm still about common sense. His story does not add up. I think now you've come up with a story because you've been caught and you're sorry. I do believe he's sorry that he killed his girlfriend in a fit of anger.
Was he screaming like a girl? Was it really him doing that?
I think that's one of the most ridiculous things. When he screams like a girl. He screams like a girl.
And as LaTonya, you say, it comes down to common sense.
Yeah.
All right?
If it doesn't fit, he's going to have to scream in court.
If it
I think
doesn't
that's
fit,
what they have to do.
you must acquit.
Well, he's too busy throwing up in court.
Stand by, Dream Team. Thank you very much.
Thanks.
All right. So up next, rape, robbery, grand theft, and murder.